Chapter number 6 is lines and angles. Some definition. Line segment. A part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. Example. This is line segment AB. This line segment AB is denoted by line segment AB. It has two endpoints. Ray. A part of a line with one endpoint is called a ray. Example. This is ray AB and this has only one endpoint. And ray AB is denoted by ray AB like this. However, we will denote the line segment AB, ray AB, line AB by the same symbol. Next, collinear points and non-collinear points. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. If three or more points lie on the same line. Example, let we have 3 points like this. These 3 points are known as collinear point because all 3 points lie on the same line. These 3 points lie on the same line. Point A, point B and point C are collinear point. Otherwise, they are not they are non-collinear point. Example like this is point P, point Q and point R. These 3 points are not lie on the same line. So point P, point Q and point R are non-collinear points. And point ABC are collinear points because they lie on the same line. Angle. Angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint, like this. Angle AOB. Angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. O is same endpoint and ray OA and ray OB originate from this point. Types of angle. Number 1, acute angle. Acute angle, measure of this angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Second, right angle. Right angle, value of right angle is equal to 90 degree. Straight angle, value of straight angle equal to 180 degree. Obtuse angle, an angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Reflex angle, an angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Complementary angle. Two angles are known as complementary angles if sum of two angles is 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Two angles are known as supplementary angles if sum of angle is 180 degree. Adjacent angle. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex and common arms. Let in this figure angle ABD and angle DBC. Both angles are adjacent angle because they have a common vertex B. B is common vertex of angle ABD and of angle DBC, and both angles have a common arm BD. BD arm is in angle ABD and in angle DBC. BD is common arm and B is common vertex. Angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent. Linear pair of angles. If we have figure like this, angle ABD and angle CBD are known as linear pair of angles because ABC is a straight line. So these two angles, angle ABD and angle CBD, both are adjacent angles. Both are known as linear pair angles because ABC is a straight line and sum of linear pair angles is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABD plus angle CBD equal to 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles. If we have figure like this, then angle AOD and angle BOC, this angle and this angles are vertically opposite angles, and angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So value of vertically opposite angles are equal. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. Question number 1. In the figure, line AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC plus angle BOD equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, then find value of angle BOE and reflex COE. Solution of question number first we write given quantity which are given in question. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Since angle AOC equal to angle BOD, AOC and angle BOD, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Like this, two line cross intersect and these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC and BOD are same because vertically opposite angle are same. Value of angle BOD is 40 degree, therefore angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Angle AOC equal to 40 degree also. And angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree, which is given. Put here value of AOC 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. BOE equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree equal to 30 degree. Also angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. We know straight angle equal to 180 degree, and AOC, BOE and COE, these three angles are on the one side of line AOB. one side of this line AOB. So sum of these angles are 180 degree. Put your value of AOC is 70 degree. AOC plus BOE, value of AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. Angle COE equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. Next, we want to find reflex angle COE. Value of angle COE equal to 110 degree, and we want to find value of reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE we find to subtract given angle from 360 degree. Then we get value of reflex of that angle. 360 degree minus 110 degree equal to 250 degree. Value of angle COE is equal to 110 degree. To find reflex angle COE, we subtract value of angle COE from 360 degree. Question number 2. In the figure, XY and MN intersect at O. XY, MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degree and A ratio B, ratio of this angle and this angle is equal to 2:3. Find C. Find the value of angle C. Solution. Given quantity A ratio B equal to 2:3. So we can write, let A equal to 2x, B equal to 3x. Since angle XOM plus angle POM plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. XOY is a straight line and these angles are one side of this line. So sum of these angles equal to 180 degree. Put your value 3x plus 2x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Solve this. Then we find x equal to 18 degree. So B equal to 3x equal to 3 into 18. Value of x is 18 equal to 54 degree. A equal to 2x equal to 2 into 18 equal to 36 degree. Now in this figure, B plus C is equal to 180 degree because both are linear pair. MCN is a straight line. So these two angles are linear pair. MCN is a straight line. So B and C are linear pair. B plus C equal to 180 degree. Sum of linear pair is 180 degree. Put here value of B 54 degree plus C equal to 180 degree and C equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree equal to 126 degree.